Every time you think that you won't make it, and each time you're convinced that you can't take it, picture me in this light, think of me, you can find. 'Cause I've been chewed up and spit, I've been big, I've been hit, I've been burned, but I have learned that we survive, we get by, we take the hit, and we learn to fight. We collide, but we don't die, trying to put out wildfires. And when you get the feeling that it's not in you, and all those times remind you of what you can't do, remember me, I've lost and loved, and I am not giving up. Though I've been torn, I've been used, I've been fooled, I've abused all my rights to living, but I'm alive. 'Cause we survive, we get by, we take those hits, and we learn to fight. We collide, but we don't die, trying to put out, don't you put out wildfires. Let them come, I wanna let them take me. Let them burn up everything that's made me. Till the end, I swear I'm never gonna let them break me. Though I've been crushed, I've been killed, I am scared, but God, I will keep on trudging up this crazy hill. We survive, we get by, we take those hits, and we learn to fight.